What's up guys, it's me your Geek. This is the essential phone PH-1 running on the Android 9. So now let me talk about the battery. Let me first show you the battery. The Android 9 or the Android Pie is like billion times better than the Android Nougat. I mean when it comes to the battery life for the essential phone PH-1. Now you go to the battery manager. As you can see, the battery manager is managing all of the apps. Okay. Okay, now let me open the battery. So the problem was that when I bought this phone, the battery was so horrible. I was thinking the battery is like defect. I mean, literally, with Android Nougat, it was one of the worst battery life phone. I mean, I was just getting like 1 hour screen on time. Now I can get easily 2.5 hours. Still, it's not like full hour, which is like the good standard. I mean, like the Galaxy Note 8 can get around. Sorry, the Galaxy 9 Note 9 can get around like 4 hour. Galaxy 8 around 3.5 hour. Nokia 8 3.5 hour. Yeah, I mean, this was like 2.5 hour only right now. But when it was launched with Nougat, it was only 1.5 hour. Again, 2.5 hours is good. Full screen on time. I don't know. The phone use a lot of battery, especially when you turn on the hotspot. If you do not turn on the hotspot, then you can get around 4 hours. A lot of people do not use the hotspot, but if you're going to use the hotspot, it's gonna eat a lot of battery. So the battery life is good right now. I have no complaint right now, but when it was launched, the battery life was horrible. I hope you get a basic understanding. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.